Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do a fried chicken. Yeah, just typical fried chicken. We're going to cut down the chicken and that'll be part of the video. Okay, so we have our chicken here. We want to start by removing the wings. Just put a little, little cut in the joint. Pop it out. I like to keep the tips on. Take the thigh and the drumstick off. Really need a sharper knife. Drumstick. Back from the breast. Back. Here's the breast. Now we separate halves. We got some of the ribs here. Take those off. You could actually cut this in half, which I think I'm going to do. Pieces of rib. I must have done something wrong. There's not much meat here. But I'm gonna do these up anyway. Most people will probably use is for stock. I'm not going to do stock. I'm just going to do these up. Okay, so this is going to be the seasoning. We got 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning, which is basically your dried sage and other herbs. We've got 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So we're just gonna sprinkle that all on the chicken. We'll just work that in. Make sure all of it's covered. All right. Okay, now we're going to add the buttermilk, and we're going to make sure that it's all covered. We're going to give this another mix to make sure it's all in there. Alright, we're going to cover this and we're going to refrigerate this for minimum of 4 hours, but I'll probably go around 6. So here we have the chicken, and we're gonna, it's been marinating for about 6 hours, 8 hours, somewhere around there. You want to do a minimum of 4 hours. We've got a colander here. You take out the chicken and put it in the colander. So this way it can kind of drain the excess off. And then we're going to dredge this and fry it. Okay, so now we're gonna dredge the chicken. We're gonna take it, put it in the flour, and we're gonna, I have a sheet pan over here off camera that I'm gonna put them on. Now I have my oil on, and it kind of overshot the 350, so I'm just going to turn off the heat and then check back after a while. It should come down by the time I'm finished. So when we fry these up, we want to fry those parts that are going to cook at the same pace. So I'll probably start with the wings and then work my way to the other parts. This is the back. Maybe I'll start with that. My oil's down to 372, so it'll drop once I start cooking. So I'm gonna start with the wings and the drumsticks. the temperature dropped a lot. Okay, so this first batch is done. Take them out, put them on a paper towel, and then we throw the next batch in. Okay, so there you have it, fried chicken. It's been a while since I made this, and yeah, I forgot what a mess it makes. But don't let that discourage you. Anyway, here's the finished product. I've already had a couple pieces. Couldn't control the temperature as well as I'd like to. Okay, so thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon.